biggest stage for the biggest performers. It's Sim's Super Bowl perfection. LT and Eli bring it down a dynasty. To be at your best in the spotlight. These are the Giants. In Dallas, good guys wear a star. From Landry's doomsday defense to the triplets creating a dynasty of their own. Like Captain Comeback, they play as heroes. These are the Cowboys.
What's going on, everybody? It's the man of the hour, QJB, aka Cleveland. I got this Madden NFL Football 25 for ya, featuring the prototype cornerback London Bridges. Now let's check out the sideline report.
Let's go down to the field for the latest, and here's Danielle Bellini.
Thanks, guys. It's great to be here for another new season, and there's an excitement in the air today. Guys, we've got two teams looking to start week one off on the right foot. Speaking with players and coaches, there was sort of a relief that game time was finally here. Guys, back to you.
So here we go, the first game of the season, New York Giants at the Dallas Cowboys, primetime game. I cannot wait for this game in real life. You know I'm going to be tuned in because I am a Cowboy fan. Now anyway, even though I have London Bridges here on the Cowboys, this is basically a continuation for Madden 13. I just put him up here so you could see some footage of Madden 25. But when I get the full game later on this month, I'm definitely going to put him on a new team. So you can count on that. I know a lot of you are happy because you hate the Cowboys. Now look at Jay Ratliff getting the sack. By the way, he went to my sister's high school, Lowndes High School in Valdosta, Georgia. He was a tight end out there. So we stopped them on third down. They're going to have to punt it to us, 4th and 3. And London Bridges, standing on the 15, is ready to return this bad boy over to the left side, down to the 30, trying to cut inside. But they get me down. So this gameplay on Madden 25 is a lot better than 13 to me. You have the precision modifier with the juke moves and all that. The Infinity Engine 2.0 is a lot tightened up. You know they had some crazy moments going on in Madden 13. It feels a lot better this year. And if you do like NCAA 14, I think you will like Madden 25 a lot better. The gameplay is better to me. As you see, Cruz got that one, but he was out of bounds. They have a 2nd and 10. Eli Manning drop back. Up, seeing what he has. And he gets it over to Myers, and I help out with the tackle there. So I'm looking forward to seeing your input and your feedback on this game. Look at Wilson over to the right side, getting a great gain on the play. I can't wait to see how you feel about this game. I think it's improved a lot, and I'm really enjoying it as I barely get the tackle on Akeem Nicks. So check it out, 2nd and 10 here. I'm playing defense, man-to-man. And look, Eli has nowhere to go, and he's sacked again on the play. Great coverage, sacked by us. They're running the hurry-up offense. 3rd and 18, under 1:30 to go here in the second quarter. Eli dropped back, seeing what he has. He's throwing it over here. Ew! Almost picked off by myself, London Bridges. Look at that. That should have been a pick. But hey, I got to improve my ratings. You know what I mean? Got to get that catching up. So anyway, they're going to have to punt it back to us. 4th and 18. Let's see what we can do here. I really should have let this one go, but hey, I get it anyway. And look, I'm trying to take it over to the outside, and I got past the 20, so the coach can't fuss at me. You know what I mean? So anyway, check it out here. 1st and 10 for them. Here we are in the second half. He's handing it off to Wilson, and Wilson is breaking another one. Look at him to the 40, the 30. Wilson is going off this game. And look at me diving out of control, trying to help out with the tackle, but I had no impact. 2nd and 18 for New York. Eli is scanning the field looking for something. And he's sacked once again. We're getting to the quarterback. We have great coverage out here, but I let that one slip over to Victor Cruz, but it is 4th and 1. And they take the field goal. Now check it out. We gave them the ball back in the red zone. What in the blue moon? I guess Tony Romo threw an INT. Probably. Hey, I wouldn't be surprised, right? 2nd and goal. Look at Wilson. Hey, I alter his path, and we get him down for a loss. 3rd and goal. Can we make this goal line stop? Can we get this goal line stand? And it's incomplete. So they end up kicking another field goal. 13 to 6. I'm sorry about that. And they're kicking it off to me over here back deep. I'm getting it, trying to do something here. Over to the left side, I have great blocking, great room, showing them some speed to the 50, trying to stiff arm, and they push me out of bounds. So we ended up getting 6 out of that drive. New York with the ball. 4th quarter, clutch time, crunch time, whatever you want to call it. Let's see what they can do on this drive. Check it out. Romo had an INT. See, I knew it. 1st and 10 for New York. Man, and drop back through over to my side, and it's picked off. Your boy got the user pick with London Bridges, and he's hyped over there on the sideline celebrating. What a beautiful interception. Concentration, getting 2 feet down, inbounds. Your boy's a please. And this is only the first game of the season doing my thing, folks. You see that? So check it out. We're pretty much going to walk out of here with a W. They have under 2 minutes. We're up 23 to 6 over the New York Giants. But look, they're just trying to score. They're trying to make the score more respectable. 3rd and 2. He's dropping back, and he has a man over the middle. I'm going to come over here and get that tackle, putting him down on the 50-yard line. Now 4th and 4. They're going for it anyway. Look at him over to the right. Haboo! People laying the hard hit on Knicks. We don't want him to score here. 3rd and 10, and look at him trucking people. So we get him down. 4th and 3. They're going to run the hurry up once again. Let's see if they can punch it in. Let's see if we stop them. Under 10 seconds. He's dropping back, and he dropped it. So we're going to walk out of here, and he's hurt. We're going to walk out of here with a W. I'll have you some more soon, and as always, folks, that natty. Peace.